everyone, this is Onyxangel, and today I'm actually going to tell you guys how to verify on Deaderpool's Discord. So, a lot of times we actually get messages saying, how do I verify, and all this good stuff. So, here's how you do it. Well, first you join this server, which I will post that link in the description below if you guys are interested in joining. First thing that you need to do is read the rules. I'm not going to read every single rule out loud to you guys. You read the rules. So once you're done with all that, you may expand the read first, or it might already be expanded. Click verify for support, and then it's easy. It is really easy. This little check mark right there gives you access to the whole server, to everything else. That's how you know that you've been officially verified, is that you'll notice verify for support is no longer there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. Let me know if you have any problems, but you should not have any problems. It's pretty cut and dry. It's pretty easy. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please feel free to hit like, subscribe, share, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful evening.